Humidifiers do some seriously heavy lifting. These are the little valves that make it all possible. Today, we're taking a look at how Aprilaire 24-volt water solenoid valves help keep the air inside a home clean and comfortable. A solenoid is a coil of wire that becomes magnetized when an electric current passes through it. Solenoid valves control the flow of liquids and gases using magnetization and electricity. They're used across industries, including manufacturing, automotive, and refrigeration. The Aprilaire Water Solenoid Valve is designed specifically for home humidification. With threaded inlet and outlet connections, it's built for quarter-inch tubing and comes with a compression fitting and ferrule for the inlet. Every time the humidifier kicks on, this valve makes sure the correct amount of water enters the system. Having that just right level of humidity helps homeowners avoid dry air, irritated sinuses, and even damage to their home's woodwork and furniture. Built to work with 4, 5, 6, and 700 series Aprilaire models, Aprilaire Water Solenoid Valves come with fast nationwide shipping from Supply House. Order yours today, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.